Are you looking to take your Excel skills to the next level? Or do you want to learn how to use Excel's powerful tools to analyze data and create outstanding reports? Then look no further. MS Excel Skiller Program by EduCBA is designed to help you with the skills you need to succeed in your career. This course will help you learn essential skills to become master of Excel. You will learn how to use basic and advanced functions, work with large data sets, create charts and graphs, and much more. But wait, that's not all. In our Advanced Excel module, you will learn to analyze your data using powerful tools available in Excel. You will gain the ability to create visually appealing reports that effectively showcase your analysis. Additionally, you will learn how to use Excel to perform common business tasks such as budgeting and accounting with ease. Our module goes beyond default options and teaches you how to customize your work to create impactful presentations. With our MS Excel course, you will gain valuable skills that will help you stand out in the workplace. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your Excel skills and take your career to the next level. Enroll in our MS Excel course today or contact us at the below number. Also, follow us on the social media handles for more updates. I'm really looking forward to take you on board and to help you become confident in Excel. So, see you on the other side.